Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon FriendFish. Hey, it's John-Marc once again, and I'm excited that you are watching this video just because it's how to draw a cartoon FriendFish, a series that I am currently working on, and I am thrilled to be introducing to you that little character named Bubbles, this fish we're going to be working on right now. So she is a typical crazy little fish, as you will be finding out later on when the series comes out. But we're creating the basic shape for her, the area for the body, the mouth wide open, and working on the two eyes right now. And it gets a second one there. Come on, there we go. A little on the other side. All right. I enjoy doing fish. We're going to be doing a lot of my characters. Got a ton of them. And here we go. Just darkening the eyebrows. Darkening on the other one. Fish are one of the first things I started to teach kids all across the country and internationally as well. I taught a few classes on drawing. Fish are very easy, simple, and fun. Let's give her a little bit more with her eye there. There we go. The basic shapes of a fish, you can use your imagination. But in this case, I actually looked at what fish that are currently in the ocean and used them as reference and just played off the colors and the shape myself. But you could use your imagination totally. And here, let's get the side fin. There we go. Man, they're very colorful. Easy to draw. And you'll notice when I have the second fin on the other side, and I'll have the two up here, the one in the back I'll shade in. That's just an indication that it's on the other side. Just separate the two so it doesn't look like it's in the front. Kind of gives you that little depth. Let's create little two spots. My favorite thing always, I love spots. Give her back fin. And a little side little note too, the little character, Bubbles, is based off my daughter. She and I call each other Bubbles. And here we go. Finishing this one up. A little bit more. Let's get the little darker for the body and the fin there. The fin on the top there. And there we go. Okay, it's looking good. I'm enjoying this one, and I hope you enjoyed watching me draw Bubbles from our series called FriendFish. Thanks again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.